Buenos días, mi nombre es Viviana Palacio Franco, soy estudiante de Psicología de la UNAD. El día de hoy vengo a hacer este video por el curso Inglés A2. I am going to travel to Bogota on December. I will travel by plane and boat. My teacher 1 month ago I watched a web promo and I bought it immediately. All will the video 2 weeks. I already made my guide to walk and visit different places over there. I will stay in a friend's house, so I won't spend money in hotel. I am going to contribute it with food and some tickets, but it's now too expensive for me. I will go to climb Monserrate Mountain. I will go to the Oro Museum and the Salitre Park. I hope to get great photos and far a great days in that city. I am really excited. I count black the days to go.